This will be a short demo video of this new steerable toy robot I've made. It goes forward or spins in place. I'll demonstrate it. Turn it on. It's got a Coke can RC controller. It's the basic same mechanism as this one I just finished, but this one's wheeled. So I'll demonstrate it. Forward, spin in place, just steer. I'm really pleased with the way it's turning out. It's driven by 3 AA batteries. This motor draws about over 300 milliamps, I think, when it's running. Even though these tracks came out pretty good, they're plenty loose. It's just a little bit more current consumption than a wheeled robot, I think. See what else I want to say. Coke can RC controller. Has the same mechanism as this guy. You can go back and look at that video or a couple of videos I've done on how that works. I'll show it right here real quick. That's the steering mechanism. In one way, when it goes forward, both tracks turn the same direction. In reverse, this track continues going the same direction, and this one goes in reverse. That gives you your spinning action. It's the first time I've designed a track like this. I did design these from scratch in Fusion 360 based on other designs I've seen online. Here's my first attempt at it. It worked, but it's just loose. I tightened it up a little, but I printed it on a Bamboo Labs A1 Mini. Come out really good. They're short enough that they will fit. You still have to fit them diagonal, but they will fit both of them on the A1 Mini. This one I actually printed on the Creality Ender 3. It's a little tighter, but I think it would wear in, so I wouldn't be hesitant about saying that this could be built on either printer. I may just put, when I eventually release the files, I may put a looser version or 2 versions of the tracks, one a little looser than the other. Oh, one other thing, this alone took 3.5 hours on my Creality. I believe both these and the frame took 3.5 hours, I believe. So these would have probably printed in less than an hour each. So the Bamboo Labs A1 Mini is probably 3 times faster than the Creality. It's much faster anyway, and the quality is very good. This is a Coke can controller just like this had. I've still got the wires on it for wiring an LED if I want. The next thing I'll probably do a little more tweaking on what I've got here. I can take a little width out right here, bring these tracks in just a little more. That'll cut down on the overall width because I'll do it on both sides. Probably make it like 4 millimeters narrower. And then I'll start designing some type of body. I'm not sure what I'm going to do as far as the aesthetic look of it. But with the tracks, I think it makes it for a more interesting vehicle just on that alone. It works really well. Well, thanks for watching.